Well, there is still frost on the ground.
So dangerous.
So April 22nd, we're sitting in the car waiting for the start of the 2018 Leatherman Loop race. Yeah.
It's the 32nd running of it.
Yeah, we're wearing shorts because we plan to get wet. This race involves a lot of crossing some streams. You cross a river twice. So I think we'll have fun doing this. I'll see Chelsea at the start and the finish.
And every year we renew that vow at the Poundridge Leatherman's Run. Sing it with me. Oh, Leatherman's runs. As he wanders town to sleepy town, sunrise, setting sun. I said, oh, Leatherman runs. Almost ready. And to celebrate his history at the Poundridge Leatherman's Run. We celebrate that mystery at the Poundridge Leatherman's Run. We celebrate that history. Now it's time for you to run!
Every year. Go for it, right down the middle. Whoa! Yep, slippery. Oh, just do it. Come on. You're gonna get wet and dirty anyhow. And the first rinse off.
I mean, the bar's below us. Fire above us. Fire within us. Go!
Oh, you okay? Yeah. Good. All right. First river crossing.
How refreshing.
It's a strong current today.
Yeah, my legs are freezing.
At least they're getting out quickly. Last year they didn't. Sorry. Whoa, whoa, sorry. You okay? Yeah, I hit a rock there. Sorry about that. Screw it. Just gonna go through this part. Screw it. Doesn't matter. Got the famous mariachi band here. Thank you. Four legs, good choice. Yeah. It's good and turned over for us. Good footholds now. All right. We just go to the right. It ain't so bad, right? This is nothing. All right. It's a little bit smelly, okay. Grab that one, thank you. Whew. It's like surfing.
Don't go around it, just go through it.
Whoa! Just go.
I guess you're right.
Whoa! Oh, you okay? Yeah. Oh! Oh my God, it's hard. Yeah. Once you get going, there's no getting back.
You got some really good videos there.
I hope so. Of me falling, yeah. Good times.
This is as muddy as I've ever seen it.
It's incredible. They said it was gonna be a good year for mud.
I wish I had a camera right now. Yeah. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Does it bother you when you're running?
No.
As you sweat, you were worried about it. Don't look up the hill. You okay?
Yeah, Charlie horse.
Oh, GoPro is so smart.
Finished Leatherman's loop. It's a great finish. I tripped a couple times, of course, and upon my second trip, I grabbed a man's butt. It was funny. He saved me. He had a nice accent. Sorry, girl. It was another great run. I was thinking, oh, I don't want to do this again. You know, it's just I'm done it 3 times now. I'm done. But it's such a great race. It's so beautiful out. The spirit here is really great. It's like my kind of spiritual race, and you really go on a journey just for 6.2 miles.
It's down on flat, a little rise at the end.
Oh, there's the field right there?
Yep.
Oh, I don't know why I'm walking then.
Because it's an uphill right here.
It's at the very, very end.
It's a doozy, the first step!
Oh, all right. Sorry. Sorry, man. I had no control. That's a strong current.
All right, Karl! Keep going! The clown beat you again.
The clown always beats me.
All right, come on, Karl, you got this.
Yeah.
Karl! Yay, Karl!
Oh, my legs are killing me.
Well, yeah, they torture you. There's Amelia. Hey! And another one there. How do you feel?
I wish I had trained more. My knees start cramping up in about 4 miles.
Really?
I had to stop right here, right in there.
Yeah.
I was like, if I took a step, they'd like, eat.
Well, I got some injuries right away.
Fell again.
No, that's just from the vines.
Oh, yeah. It is absolutely good spirit.
Like right at the end, I hate it, though,
That last hill is the
200
worst.
meters.
Oh my God, that's the worst. Yes, that's what I want. You should tell us about your pie.
I got second in my age group.
Here we are at the final river crossing. You can see the rope in the river behind us.
It's a creek.
It was a good race this year. I enjoyed it a lot.
Yeah, it's very, it feels good to run it. Even if you're not racing it, you can walk it and enjoy it.
I was not racing it. I was getting tired not racing it. It was tough. A lot of mud. That sucks a lot of energy out of you.
We had some
Year.
good weather this year. This last creek crossing, it was a strong current, but I mean, not too terrible. As long as you are like careful. The director was contemplating not having us cross it this year, but like people caught wind and they're like, no.
You have to have it.
We had a lot of folks come up to us before and after that watched our video because they were running this for the first time and they needed some insight. I'm glad we could have provided that little bit to get an idea of this race, and
so
we appreciate you watching it.
Yeah, thank you very much for coming up to us. We really appreciate that.
And even saying hi, that's great.
It was really nice to see that.
Run it if you haven't run it, or if you ran it this year and this was your first year, run it again.
Yeah.
We'll
we don't have to tell you that.
Yeah.
You probably know that already.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
It was fun, as always. So.
You guys did that YouTube video, right?
You saw it?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, make another one.
Enormously helpful.
Cool. Well, you might be in the next one, so.
Nice. All right.
Cool. You too.